Hi, everyone. In this lecture, we will talk about the key terms and how they work together in Docker. The first key term is the host. Host is the computer that has Docker engine installed. And the second term is the image registry. Registry is a central place to store Docker images and their meta-info. We can think of image registry as the central code repository we're using in our development. And the image registry makes it much easier for different parties to share the images. And the third term is the image. Image packs our software code, configuration files, and the dependency libraries. And the last term is the Docker container. Docker container is created from the image, and it's the running instance of the image. The key difference between the image and the container is that the image is kind of static. It cannot, for a web application image, it cannot serve the web requests or execute the commands. But for a Docker web server container, it can, when it is running, it can serve the requests and also it can execute the command. Next, let's look at how they work together. As we can see that the most important players are the images and the containers. First, we need to obtain the images, and then we get the containers up and running from the images we obtained. There are three options. There are three ways we can obtain the images. First is we build our customer image from the Docker file. And second, we can push the image from the image registry. And the third way is that we load the previously backed up Docker images. Once we have the images ready, we can use the Docker commands, the run commands, to get the containers up and running. The Docker containers can be stopped and restarted